Meet the Hesston by Massey Ferguson. One Series Round Baler, the machine celebrated for its unmatched toughness and simplicity. Built with a heavy-duty design, it delivers dependable, long-lasting performance while maintaining perfect bale density, even at higher operating speeds. Engineered for durability, comfort, and efficiency, this baler ensures consistent results season after season, making it a trusted choice for modern, high-demand farming operations. The Massey Ferguson One Series Round Baler brings decades of proven technology together, offering straightforward operation that makes baling faster, more efficient, and remarkably comfortable for today's modern farmers. The Massey Ferguson One Series Round Baler features a camless pickup system as standard, enhancing comfort and efficiency while reducing power demand for smoother, more reliable, and energy-saving baling performance. The Massey Ferguson One Series Round Baler includes a front-mounted net binding system with a swing-away loading rack, ensuring quick, tight, and effortless binding while maintaining exceptional pickup visibility for operators. The Massey Ferguson One Series balers are built for durability, engineered to perform reliably even in the toughest conditions. With triple lip-sealed bearings, heavy wall aggressive rollers, and protective debris shields, these machines stay strong, efficient, and field-ready all season long. The Massey Ferguson One Series Round Baler combines advanced technology with durable engineering to maintain consistent bale density, even at higher ground speeds, ensuring faster, more efficient hay production in every field. The Massey Ferguson One Series features a vertical chamber design that uses gravity to naturally form denser bales, reducing complexity and power demands while maximizing efficiency and reliability in every operation. The MF1 Series Round Baler is engineered for performance, producing dense, high-quality bales even at higher ground speeds, ensuring faster, more efficient baling without compromising consistency or quality. The MF1 Series Round Baler is built for efficiency, using fewer moving parts in a vertical chamber to reduce power demands. The MFRB 146 operates with only 80 horsepower, while the MFRB 156 requires just 100 horsepower, delivering powerful performance with minimal energy use. The MF1 Series Round Balers are fully tractor implement management, TIM capable, allowing the baler to automatically stop the tractor and complete the entire baling cycle without operator input, significantly reducing fatigue and boosting productivity. The MF1 series features a convenient swing-away net loading rack that pivots out at tailgate height, reducing heavy lifting and simplifying the handling of full net wrap rolls for safer, easier operation. The MF1 series offers an optional hydraulic drop floor that allows operators to quickly clear blockages right from the tractor cab, ensuring uninterrupted workflow and maximum baling efficiency in the field. The MF MF1 Series Round Baler, proudly designed and built in Hesston, Kansas, uses globally sourced components shared across Massey Ferguson models, making operation simpler and maintenance faster, easier, and more cost-effective. The MF1 Series Round Baler offers true cross-platform commonality, designed to be tractor-agnostic for effortless integration into any farming operation, regardless of brand or existing equipment setup. The MF1 Series Round Baler features a common electronic architecture, CEA, enabling easy integration of advanced add-ons like scales and moisture meters for smarter, more precise baling performance. The MF1 Series Round Baler is fully ISOBUS 11783 compliant, ensuring seamless, hassle-free communication with modern tractors and compatible monitors for smooth, efficient, and connected baling operations.